Residential property capital gains tax has got some important changes coming through on the 6th of April 2020, and I thought it was important that you got a quick summary of that. There's three main changes. Firstly, what's called letting relief is disappearing. This is a relief available to individuals where they lived in a property as their main residence before it was let, subsequently let it and then make a disposal. There's an additional deduction available of up to £40,000 per person. So if it's a joint property, that relief could be up to £80,000 as a deduction from the gain on which tax is payable. That disappears from 6th of April 2020, and so it's important to know that in case it's going to make an effect on any planning for some disposals. Secondly, with regards to people's main property, there was an extension to the period which it was owned of 18 months, which gave you time to dispose of the property after you moved out, and it's still counted as exempt for capital gains tax. That period is reducing from 18 months to 9 months for disposals after 6th of April 2020. And lastly, with regards to payment of capital gains tax on residential property, this is payable currently on the 31st of January, following the end of the tax year in which you made the disposal. So that can give a significant period of time where no tax is paid on the proceeds. From 6th of April 2020, a new rule is coming in whereby a return and the tax needs to be paid within 30 days of the disposal. That makes a significant difference to planning the cash flow of how people utilise the proceeds. The gain still needs to be put onto an individual's tax return, but care needs to be taken at the time, and everybody needs to be aware that those returns need to be made very quickly and payments made. With regards to property portfolios in general, there are still considerations for planning opportunities and restructuring, and if anybody has a property portfolio and they haven't considered the overall structure and tax efficiency, I suggest they take some advice and speak to us quickly. Thank you.